First up, we're just cutting up potatoes. A little washer jar, please. Just how I do my parents. My grandma taught me that way. There's wild zucchini everywhere. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tattooed Chef. Today we're cooking a crispy, smoky, sweet dish. It's Hello Fresh panko crusted turkey with a hot honey and applewood smoked potatoes. Sounds fancy? But trust me, if you can use an oven, you're good. We got some smoky seasoning flavor here. We're gonna throw it around. Maybe we'll add some more. Don't be shy. We're gonna put this in the oven for 26 minutes. 26 minutes. We're gonna cut this in half. And if you don't have saran wrap, which I ran out. We're going to use this as a bag here. Oh, spring back memories. Oh shit. Part it in. Shoot. She's good. Alright, now we're just going to beat up the turkey a little. We're patting dry our turkey breast. Yes, I use all of it. So now we're going to cover turkey. Sour cream. Also, we're going to tenderize it. Then we're going to cover this beautiful pink. Whoa. Now we're talking good stuff here. Okay. Put all that right in. Alright. Perfect. Thank you. Now we laid these beautiful panko crusted turkey pieces on the baking sheet, and we're going to roast them at the bottom of the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes. And once your kitchen starts smelling amazing, that's when you know it's working. Okay, while the turkey finishes up, let's get the veggies in the game. We've got the carrots, we've got the zucchini, we've got them sliced up. We're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. Cook them till they're tender and crisp.
I love this, or it starts to smell like summer. I love the smell of summer.
We're gonna add these. We're gonna add our give it a little. This is our hot honey. Do a little drizzle of hot honey. That's just where you kind of simmer off. Oh, that's nice. What we for you.